Herbal medicine. 101 natural remedies for common ailments. The herbs and spices that you use on a daily basis may help ease headaches, soothe colds, and even improve your immune system. Imagine a world in which your kitchen serves as a pharmacy, and your kitchen is also your pharmacy. Are you curious? Come along with us as we investigate the intriguing field of herbal medicine and find natural treatments for a variety of problems that are often experienced. Why you should watch until the end. By the time you reach the conclusion of this video, you will have acquired the information necessary to put the curative powers of common herbs into practice. We will discuss natural treatments for a variety of maladies, including colds, headaches, and digestive problems, with the goal of enabling you to take responsibility for your health in a proactive manner. In addition, we will provide you with a unique formula that mixes a number of different herbs to create a powerful treatment that you may manufacture at home. Number 5. Introduction to herbal medicine. A discipline that is sometimes referred to as botanical medicine or phytotherapy, herbal medicine is the use of compounds derived from plants with the goal of providing therapeutic and medical benefits. This ancient healing method has been around for thousands of years and has been a foundational component of several traditional medical systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine TCM, and indigenous healing traditions all around the globe. Number 4. Benefits of herbal medicine. In what ways does herbal medicine function in conjunction with the natural healing processes that occur inside the body? In order to provide a natural method of treatment, herbal medicine works in conjunction with the organic processes of the body, therefore improving the body's capacity to mend and restore itself more effectively. In contrast to synthetic medications, which may introduce foreign substances that disturb the activities of the body, herbs provide gentle support to a variety of systems, often enhancing immunity, digestion, and general well-being. It is usually true that herbal therapies, when taken appropriately, have fewer adverse effects than pharmaceuticals, which makes them a safer choice for usage over an extended period of time. Additionally, a large number of medicinal plants are readily available, whether they are grown at home, acquired from local markets, or taken from nature. This enables people to take charge of their health in a manner that is both economical and sustainable. Number 3. Common ailments and herbal approaches to treatment. The typical cold garlic, also known as Allium sativum, is famous for its antibacterial characteristics and has been shown to be effective in treating the common cold. Incorporating garlic into your diet may help lower the intensity and frequency of colds that you experience. Ginger, also known as Zingiber officinale, is a plant that possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which makes it a useful remedy for decreasing nasal congestion and calming irritation in the throat. Elderberry, also known as Sambucus nigra, has a long history of usage in traditional medicine, particularly for the treatment of skin disorders, coughs, and infections. Pain in the head. There is some evidence that feverfew, also known as Tanacetum parthenium, may help lessen the frequency and intensity of migraines. Feverfew has traditionally been used to treat fevers and headaches. Peppermint, also known as Mentha piperita, is said to have the ability to alleviate tension headaches by applying diluted peppermint oil to the temples. This is because peppermint oil has the ability to relax muscles. Problems with the digestive system. Peppermint is quite useful in alleviating digestive pain, including bloating and indigestion, among other digestive issues. Number 2. Safety considerations. If you are considering utilising herbal medication, why is it essential to get the advice of a qualified medical professional? Although herbal treatments provide a multitude of health advantages, it is essential to utilise them in a responsible manner in order to guarantee their safety and efficiency. Prior to implementing herbal remedies, it is very important to get the advice of a qualified medical expert. This is especially important for persons who are pregnant or breastfeeding, as well as those who are taking prescriptions, since some herbs may combine with pharmaceuticals or influence medical problems. Utilising herbs that come from reliable sources helps to minimise contamination with pesticides, heavy metals, or adulterants. However, quality is another important issue to consider. Also, it is essential to adhere to the correct dose, since taking an excessive amount of the substance might result in adverse effects or even poisoning. By gaining an understanding of these precautions, people are able to reap the benefits of herbal medicine, while simultaneously reducing the hazards that may be posed to their unique health. Number 1. Special Recipe Immune Boosting Herbal Tea. Gather the following ingredients in order to brew a potent herbal tea that will strengthen your immune system. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dried elderberries, 1 teaspoon of dried echinacea, 1 teaspoon of dried ginger root, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 tablespoon of honey are the ingredients that are included in this recipe. Elderberries, echinacea, ginger root, cinnamon stick, and water should be mixed together in a pot. First, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes. This will enable the herbs to release the chemicals that are helpful to them. During the cold and flu season, prepare the tea by straining it into a cup, adding honey to taste, and drinking it once daily to provide the best possible immune support. In conclusion, adopting herbal medicine gives you the ability to use nature's abundant healing resources to take charge of your health. Numerous plants have potent therapeutic qualities that may strengthen immunity, promote the body's natural healing processes, and relieve common illnesses. It's important to keep in mind, however, that while herbs may be helpful partners in preserving well-being, they should only be taken as supplemental therapies, not in lieu of expert medical care. A healthcare professional should always be consulted before starting a herbal regimen. To find what works best for you, start with these natural cures and then progressively go further into the vast realm of herbal medicine. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.